Hey guys, welcome back to Timeline and History with me Shraddha. So today I'm going to start with thanking each and everyone who has subscribed my channel and also my lovely family and friends who are daily sharing their feedback, suggestions to me. Either let it be personally or on social media platform. I'm thankful to each and everyone and also loads of love to everyone. So moving back to today's history, every day we are listening to crimes, to wars, to birth of inventions, to legends. Today we are going to go a little out of the way and we are going to know what is the history behind today's date when it comes to giving few awards. So I'm not going to list down all the awards, but specifically the award which was started on today's date. So it's 10th December and let's begin with today's significance. This was the date, that is 10th December in the year 1901, when the first Nobel Prize award was given in the field of medicine, literature, physics and peace. So every award has a history or a reason to be given, and today I am going to tell you that how this Nobel award actually started. Alfred Bernhard Nobel, born in Sweden and grown and educated in Russia and United States, was a great chemist, and his inventions regarding different types of detonators or explosives are very well known in the history. So it was his invention regarding the different kinds of detonators we see these days or we listen to these days, and he had so many inventions in this world of dynamics. Now there is also a reason behind naming this dynamics. Alfred Nobel specifically chose the word dynamic from the Greek word dynamis, which means power. So he had secured many patents related to his to his inventions regarding to this explosives and detonators, and that it was this patents and his inventions that he had owned a vast fortune. Now after his death, there was nobody in his family that he could pass on this fortune to. So in his will he mentioned that all his fortune be secured as a fund and the interest be given as prizes. So it is this date, that is 10th December in the year 1896, when he died. Later on, after 5 years of his death, like on his 5th death anniversary, it was decided that the awards begin in different fields of science or in any field, not only in science but in any field where a person has done a humble job. Even if he has done something related to the peace of the world, a specific criteria is chosen for that as well. So it was on this date in the year 1901 when the first Nobel Prizes were given, and they were named after his name, Alfred Nobel, as I told you. So it was named as Nobel Prizes or Nobel Awards. Few names to mention who have won this award, I would say Marie Curie, Albert Einstein, Rabindranath Tagore, Mother Teresa, Dalai Lama, Barack Obama. I might have missed many names because there is a huge list, but I am just giving a few names out of the so many people who have won Nobel Prize in different fields. So this was the first significance of today's date. Our second significance for today's date comes a little bit from art and fiction. Mentioning today 2009 released on this date, that is 10 December, Avatar, I don't know, Avatar or Avatar, Avatar, the movie, which was 3D fiction and was directed by James Cameron, who was also the director of Titanic, was the first epic movie. And I am mentioning this because this movie was world released in London and was almost one of the most highest grossing movies in the history. This was a specific reason I selected this to tell you today. Such was the second significance of today's date. Let's start with last but not the least, fun section. So now it is not a fun celebration but a day. This day is observed as Human Rights Day. So rights, we all know, rights of equality, rights of freedom, freedom from discrimination, freedom from slavery, rights to get married, rights to own property, right to have a life, to have liberty, These are very few. There are many rights which we have. So this day is internationally observed as Human Rights Day. I would say we should use our rights, very maturely and correctly, and that's what I would say about our rights. Let me know your views on human rights in comment box. I hope you have liked the video. Please like, comment and subscribe the channel to every day know different kinds of facts, interesting facts from the pages of history. See you tomorrow. Until then, take care and bye bye.